If you want to change app permissions on Samsung Galaxy A27, you can, for example, open the settings. Then over here in settings, we're going to scroll down and we need to go to security and privacy. Over here in security and privacy, you might be able to find some permissions used in the last 24 hours. So you can go to these permissions to check the usage history. But if you want to manage app permissions, then you want to go to more privacy settings. And then here we have the permission manager. Then we will see the list of all permissions that we can manage on our phone. So let's say I'm going to choose photos and videos. And then I can choose which apps should have access to photos and videos. In this case, which apps are not allowed. I can tap on any of these apps and I can make changes here and there. What you can also do instead is you can go to apps in settings. And then from this list, you can choose any app for which you want to change permissions. So let's say I'm going to choose calculator. Then in here, we can go to permissions, and here we can see which permissions are allowed and which are not allowed. Maybe let's use another app as an example, because over here, there are no permissions to be managed. There we go. Here we have more of them. And there we go. We can see which permissions are granted and which permissions are not for this selected app. And I can tap on any of these permissions in order to, for example, allow or disallow. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.